Today we're going to show you how to change one of the stones in your Norton IM313 tri-stone sharpening system. You may have to change a stone because it's worn out. You may want to customize your sharpening stone system to add a finer grit stone or something. So if you're the owner of an IM313, you may have to change a stone. I'm going to walk you through it. My name's Jeff. I'm going to walk you through it. First thing you need is a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to loosen 3 screws on one of the rails, one of the clamp rails, to loosen the stone. As you do this, you're also loosening the stone below it. So I cradle it in my hand so that other stone doesn't move, okay? So now all three screws on the clamp rail are loose. I remove the stone. We're just going to add it into the slot where the other stone came out. We're going to center it so that we have close to the same distance on this side as we have on this side. These are the tabs that fit in your holder that anchor the stone in the case. Now we're going to go back, tighten the screws evenly and consistently. Snug them down fairly tight, but not so tight that you're going to you risk cracking the stone. Now we're going to move over to the other side of that same stone, check the other side, torque the screws. We're going to check the bottom rail to make sure it's also tight. And that's all. That's it. Simple as that. Now we're ready to sharpen with a brand new sharpening stone.